We're playing Don't Press the Button again. The button. Oh, Wolf 58936. Found the button. Okay. What is this? Quick, dodge incoming lasers. Oh God! Wait, what? I didn't see that. Get onto the yellow platform. Yeet! Oh, just made it in time. Merry Christmas Eve. Hope everybody's having a great day. Like and subscribe if you want to even have an even better day. So, oh God, oh my God, I took out my fork, my throwing fork. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Oh God, look at this. I'm not gonna die because I'm the best. Can you finish this maze before it disappears? Maybe. If you haven't checked out my other video, Don't Press the Button, go check it out because it's pretty lit. I made an awesome goal that I'm very proud of, like my sister said, because I never made a goal before. That is true. But I made some goals at least. Ow, my head is hurting me. Well, after this, I'm gonna take a rest. Ow. Ouch. Come on. I need to finish this maze so I can get a badge or something that said, I finished. My hat accessories are getting in my way. I put that on for the Christmas mood. I love it though, because I had to spend 62 Robux on it. And now once Christmas is over, it's gonna be nothing. I'll still wear it though. Yeah, I'm not gonna get out of this alive. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ow. I'm trying to get out of this alive. Please let me out. I don't want to die in a maze that I can't even get through. Oh no. No. Come on. This is the only thing I have to do. Run back very quickly to the start so I won't die. If I die on this, I'm gonna try not to die in the other rounds. Go. No. I was so close. It's supposed to be over there. Oh my God, what happened to my hand? Oh my God. Okay, we're back. Okay, I got one. Wow. Oh God. I'm sorry. Yeet. Flip. My table's not flippable. I'm sorry. Ow. Get me up because this is the morning. Oh my God, I need my table. Give me my table. Give me my table. Hey, yo. Oof. Come on, I think I can get her. Yeet. Get out the way. Oh my. Now I'm stuck like this. Wait. Okay, good. That's what I call a victory royale.
That's a victory royale.
Oh my God. That's so funny. Hey, bro, what happened? Go in it. Oh my God, let's go in it. Nothing happened to me. Oh my God, I'm magical. Did my head get big or was it already big? Oh my God! No, I don't want this to fall off. I love it. Oh no. 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 Don't push that dog off. Don't. I swear to God, if you push the dog off. Score a goal with the soccer ball. I might not get another goal like that, but like, I'll still try to. Oof, oof. Come on, I need to make a goal. Diamond, diamond. Skirt, skirt. Money is important. Yes. Money is important. Yes. Oh, yeah, no one scored a goal. Except me last round. Just kidding. No, no, what are you doing with the dog? That's not a soccer ball. No, no. Why the dog? Dog, why the dog? Ow. I hate you. Oh, no, I'm you. Sorry. Okay, This is not the football around my ears. Okay, I'm gonna let everybody fight to the death. So once everybody's dead, I could try to win. I'm just gonna grab everything and I'm just gonna fight to the death. 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 This is what I do. This is what I do. Gaby. Gaby. Gabby. I don't know how to. I'm sorry, I suck. I haven't. I thought it would explode. No. Oh, I'm not gonna go up on all the way in the air. I have to be a skinny boy to do that. She could though. She's skinny. But you have to be skinny and small. Okay, press the button. Skirt. Oh, he got his Christmas thing going on. Gucci. Ow, my face is messed up now. If you can see, my face is very messed up. Body. He hit it real loud. I could hear it. It's time to slip, slip, slip. Slip, slip, slip. Slip, slip, slip. Slip, slip, slip. Slip, slip. What the? Oh my god. What was that? Hola, Mito. Well, this is where we're ending the video. Have a great Christmas Eve. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like and subscribe. Get this video to 50 likes. And I'll make more Roblox videos. Bye. Have a great Christmas Eve. Whee!